that I'm about to bring up, hello, this image I'm about to bring up was before. This was around probably September 2024. Before December issue of 30 seconds video. Before we protested in front of the State Assembly. That we meet the Commissioner of Police. I wrote to the Commissioner of Police. And instead of them writing back, they made a phone call that your attention is needed by the Commissioner of Police. And it's an urgent emergency. I didn't come to social media to discuss with anybody. I only picked 1 or 2 or 3 persons. As at that time, Otibami saw, for me. So I was just coming to TikTok then. I said, okay, let's go together. So I go there, now come and see. Now the person that we went to Commissioner of Police together, this was inside the office of the Commissioner of Police. Thank you so much. Look at that is the Arifa day. He got here through me because I wrote to the Commissioner of Police on justice for Mohbad and that we are going to be protesting in front of the Lagos State House of Assembly. And the man said they should summon me because they now invited me and I spoke. I said, let's go. It was at this point the Commissioner of Police noticed that we are now bent in pursuing cause of justice. After he tried to say, what are you doing this for? Let it go. I said, no, we can't let it go. And then you tried to, we discussed that day and the man said, no problem. I said, we took pictures. He said, you know what? Anything the man need, any concern, any evidence. Because when I explained to him what was on ground, he said, I am the Commissioner of Police. But the person that is heading all the investigating units in Lagos State is in party. He phoned the Deputy Commissioner of Police, introduced us together, and gave me the man's number. That anything that has to do with Mohbad's case in Lagos State, his domicile, that I should refer to the man. And that was it. Now, I now wrote to the Deputy Commissioner of Police when the 30 seconds video and the shot came up. You now look at how disgusting and go through. And the time the Commissioner of Police, as at that time, this is the number 1 police officer in Lagos State. When it comes to the command, okay, I remove social person from police, I should give it in this under the Lagos State Police Command. Now, be sure that all of you, but now you believed him, and he was castigating me. After that, he came and gave me this information that the DPP were going to be charging Prime Boy spending at the loss only. After that time, so I will pay CCTV at the Europa Labor Mohbad. Majority of them, they don't know. She want any video hello. And I only told the police, that is the DCP of Gagbanti, location CCTV neighbor Mohbad. They should choose same Arifa at Onile. Because when we left this commissioner of police, we went straight to Panti. We had a meeting with the man. He called one of the detectives to investigate the case Mohbad from beginning. And I said I would divulge the location to him. I only gave verbal narration. So when I got to my house, I released it to the Deputy Commissioner of Police. Please, for the money, give him my number. Let him come around. And I gave the number to Baba Mohbad again. He begged Baba Mohbad said, the number of the Lord me phone here. Show no man no bani. I won't call him back to you. And you can now see to actually social media. And the fact some people still take time to even listen to some people, and then they will come and say somebody is talking about you. And your sense will not make you know it. Can you call up 3 seconds video? I will push you passionate. I will be about 3 seconds video. They were the president in Nigeria. But the commissioner of police, Lori Famisi, DCP, told them that I want the case here originally. And if I don't see justice, but she might need that impetus and effrontery. Come and pass the wrong information to another shatterer. I want sick individual, don't know what America, don't know what Army America, and to put in there. However, but one disgusting, he didn't call Larry, he didn't call Toshi, he will be of you. With the meal, fake, petition, everything is, they always want to analyze and criticize and analyze. You can imagine the commissioner of police calling about protests because someone here. Antonio Tofi, this picture that you were eventually seeing was because I do not that. Or we had to status, only reputation. Because she meeting below the head of the SID. Come to the commissioner of police on a full report paper about you now. Commissioner to try to convince until we resolved that okay, to whatever you control and contain it. Because I will call the area commander of that axis and the DPOs, all the DPOs to Abe. Make sure you see them. You guys should decide, and nothing must happen. Please, but no problem, sir. I said anything that has to do with this one that you're talking about, the person that you will tell to take action on here is the Deputy Commissioner of Police in Panti. Go and meet him. I will call him now. He called him. They gave me the phone. I spoke to him. He had my voice. He said he is expecting us. And the Commissioner of Police gave me his number. With same Arifa, Onile, and Dintilai, we traveled to meet the Deputy Commissioner of Police. We sat with him. We had a meeting. So when I got the new lead again, in terms of 30 seconds and confession from Adura, and I wrote to the Deputy Commissioner of Police, same Arifa and Karimo, the same people that I should have been trusting. On one fake, it's a lie. If you look stab or Olele, Masofuni, Yomi, Oleni, I don't trust him. I don't kill him. Can you see if you have joined them to castigate my name? Search your conscience. Today, interest in me. Sometimes, or about what I hear about what's wrong. How about that? We took picture with Commissioner of Police because I wrote to his office. He referred us before this guy. The speaker. We went to the Deputy Commissioner of Police. We were there in the office together. The man we discussed, I told him about the CCTV. Despite the fact that outside, some people are in different platforms. They are claiming to be brilliant, intelligent. They can see from social media that the CCTV of the neighbor and the mobile house, they are lying. And I went to meet the whole of the number one detective in Lagos State, and I break everything down to him. Now, picture it. I am doing that effort. bashed in the same community and people that I thought I was working with, helping for justice over. Now tell me, who are responsible for Mohbad not getting justice? The police or the same people that you all have encouraged and gathered together claiming you are seeking justice for Mohbad? Most of these are like that don't bow, that's not fair to see. For your day, they rely on these people called Shishedoti, called for a breakdown. She talk about she meetings. I mean, she's about she meeting again. Do I not to go away? And I want to become a So the question you should ask yourself, you all could hear, tell me about Bobo, Wolimo, see Arifat Kariwajoshi behind. And this Koshibo Moshe Karimoyu, I did not insult her. I did not even throw out what she gave to me in confidence. Omuniomu shots to send the sea in private. Lolo that's it out of phone book is a listen. Omuno, those are the video daddy. Don't bother what to send this on in private. Omuno are that's social media. Omuno the best in me. I'm an attention freak. To buy them physically. See how you are to buy so well more. Which you go back to Kukuloli. See you about what's happening. I want to go tell you so, but because God has ordained, you cannot fight this kind of a complex case, a serious case like murder that has already been deceived, millions have been deceived. Or have a border of a bring Otoya and you want to redirect it. You want to stay like I'm a celebrity. Let me just act and let me class myself. Let me form scars. You won't get anything. You won't even get anywhere. So if you don't know, I have to stay focused. In spite of this enormous distraction. Because as at that time, I was speaking my truth all the time. When these people start with their lives, you would think, when I look at the kid was, what's the problem? You go back to that. Oh, they go to Ficoraso, what believe that's an actor. For she near I oh, go to Ficoraso, I'm sorry, you go to Nigeraga. And it's you, but needs good shock absorber. Don't near the book. I think Coco ship we are able to draw straight. You did not know that all the game plan was to torture me mentally so that I would withdraw. So make it make sense. And then I don't know, Commissioner of Police, I'm going up with them. Only meeting that is Commissioner of okay, that's the Commissioner of Police. Okay, this is a plan. I go and do meeting with him. Plus of the decision of the command. We will borrow by Lagos State, I will protest here. And we had the meeting, I maintained, I said, sir, I will protest. But I won't go, I know I let what she go. But commissioner, I'm going to be waiting for you to arrest me that day. Okay, but say arrest me, say, we'll protest. Mr. Amina, okay, what can we do? I will protest in the 30th of September. October 1st again. I'm going to protest October 1st. Oh, my God, okay. Where can you go? Can I protest in the 1st? Because I'm protesting that here. I respect, I don't want anything to happen to Governor Sanwo-Olu's government. I don't want anything to happen to Ashiwaju's government. I will understand with you. I don't want to hit the politics, but we will protest on the 30th. It's our fundamental right. Our Beki, our Gali, our Bakoje. Don't have a soye. Oh, Bolero, Afekobo. Holiday, Afedo Sabeon, Afenerawala. It's our fundamental right. Peaceful protest is human rights. And then when you return back to the Commissioner of Police, he gave his sir, in my body, are you trying to get how they go far? It's all these things, because you're really sorry, they've been on face my hill. And then the Commissioner of Police saw reason and said, it could make any sense, don't talk, can deny any rights. We shouldn't deny your fundamental right to protest, peaceful protest. But we're only going to be concerned if they would hijack it. I said they won't. That's why I am not hiding. police, he gave the number, we traveled again to meet the same person. But while the new evidence again, I know you need to go as if I don't want to as if to my ship, I don't go see, I don't see you have a chef, everything just weaponized funding them. Can you call it a better Kimaro Gombo? When I am phone call away to the number one detective in Lagos State, I am phone call away to the commissioner of police, I am phone call away to the PRO of Nigeria Police in Lagos State, I am phone call away to the speaker, I am phone call away to the governor, I am phone call away to some commissioners, to some honorable members. My God, they did in a homicide case it's more to believe another challenge. It's a very costly project. Any human rights. I will rely on the public. I'm ready to go. But I have to get a proper green light so that I will not be on the other side of the law. This disgusting lady don't dwindle from right to left, working with this guy. And they said, I should go to the Ogogo by force by fire. This same Arifa quickly appeared in the same Ogogo. And they began to see something different behind us. You could see what I went through. You can see my story now. Yomi Yoshi Trust, Yomi Yoshi Boom, continue reading no case. Let it talk on social media to analyze, to one way, the human soul. You can't eat your cake and have it. No matter how passionate you are about justice for Mohbad, if you accept the fact that I cannot be on the field, but I want to talk about it, I want to analyze. But you must understand that there is a barrier. You must give regard to those that were on the field, on the front line. The information to back up from you were with them on the front line, could it work? If not, they will mess up their own investigation. But no, they will want to push everything out of your mouth. They will put you on the hot seat, and then this one will talk, they will go back. What nonsense. They don't even want to understand that sometimes you might want to use a particular test, and then you realize that and then you take it back. You are hurting the investigation. This is one of the reasons why all this stuff that you go by justice for Mohbad. And when we keep telling you about people like this, Emmanuel Kelazo, and then after the police stuff, Tayo Lozano, Commissioner of Police, Tayo Pada, Tayo Oshikoshi protests, then whatever is hearing, only case by let me play it also that you can hear. Can you want me to see? I'm telling you, for a good and good boy, what's the answer become?
Maybe just not trouble. Even the person handling the stuff from DPP, I don't want to go to going back. I mean, tell me, you're going to look at me, I'm looking on you and introduce that. I don't just really allow it. So, to me, and there's something that is powerful. If we go scot-free, our chair in Nigeria, our will save. Talking about no scot-free.
You see, on the case, Sarah Shabi, on the case it's here. He was in court. Could it be that or they already holding him to ransom with the case to the courts? And that's why he began to backstab. And they are using him by all means to have a mob. Whatever is happening there, continue to be playing a part. And he must tell us everything. That's why we will remove the case, our hand from the case. It's a possibility. Hours. The Tibashi press conference. I couldn't understand. I came out when the Papa didn't tackle me in the press conference here. As at that time, Team of who was taking contain me, who was taking right when you saw. Team of information don't fucking right, couldn't be found contain me. Because the slave right wasn't arrested there. So there's no way to know what was going on until we needed the evidence. But she planned, that's why I attacked by the ready scene. I realized that even the slave right was passing information where they should stream Arifa. So it was the Arifa that is needed to project whatever attack, whatever insults, whatever curses, whatever threats they will be giving to the entire world. Enjoying. And it stood on them. There were another disadvantage to that press conference and quest for justice. When he had problem, I stood. If you because no way she. So because when somebody like Kid Boss was like, you were throwing salt, don't look like she was trying to take side. I said she doesn't know much. I've been shot there. Even got to get back. But what is the problem? My bitterness is so bitterness. You only forgive him and stood by him. As a matter of fact, the next press conference, I allowed him to come. All of them could not see how dangerous what he did earlier. And now got nobody no shouting carry away. Maybe because they thought the NGO is not having money, so I wanted something they can go in your tobacco and go put it out. I never post on them. Just the same way the Aries woman, Sabe Kiss and representative of me, Boruko, where it me really. I don't know there's anybody who's to me, body. I swear on my mother's grave. Me, Bob, can you call the Samoja when they me, body? I don't do it. Me, I'm so bad. So I'm only being move. So when she said that, so I'm going to represent them. But if it's only call, no problem. Have she concert in the protest or see Ojota, Maryland, Ojota. So at the end of the day, everything is also ever go around the you. If I listen you, she very get go right daddy. Because our filtered. Only why he's so interested in this case when there are other cases you can talk about as an activist. What people don't know is that when you have a particular serious case at hand, priority listing, I don't have to be bringing all my cases to social media. Which just 3 or 4 days ago, we intervened into a girl and we were able to rehabilitate her. It's part of her fundamental right. She has got right to life. We assisted her. So, and then she was able to get back on her feet. So there are other cases we delve into, but not necessarily. This one is the priority case, and we don't have a closure yet. So, and one of the attributes of activism is repetition. You must continue to hammer on your case. Activists will always speak and talk about and repeat. And that's why we are different from our someone. We are not dogmatic. We don't argue with doctors when they are speaking about their profession. We don't argue with engineers. We don't argue with pharmacists. We don't argue with pilots. We don't even argue with immigration. We know that we only stand on fundamental human rights, and when we hold on to our truth, we stand on it and we will stand with our everything. So, because of your civil way of asking the question, that's my reply to you. So, now, that was it. Now, I want to again. The moment the full forensic, like at Timothy Logbani police station, everything was cool. I was there. Everything went well. Even when we needed to contribute something, CB20 arrested, I still contributed. After that, I got it. Nobody, I could not even see a platform to even celebrate that this young is a nice person, or he can forgive quickly, or on his sorrow, nobody on his show. Despite the fact I have a bigger assignment pursuing the cause of justice. Now, I did all of that, then the full forensic came out. It's now was done. Or releasing and inviting over Gadi. Because he's also having conversation with the guy. Then he began to support the woman. Wow, I go, wow. Same Arifa again. I got angry. So when I speak there, because it's not going to be easy for me calling people's name, because I don't call my, I was like, there's a level of my show. So I had to like keep nudging him. And then they will say, you'll be able to sub. That's why the likes of Lagata, what you are the same camp, and they thought it's an opportunity to come after you. I said, I'm not going to be bothered. If they keep us on this way, and you saw, I said, what are you saying? Do you know what I have? What is going on here? But people don't know that I have to review these things. Now, after all the efforts we made, since Nigerians, they donated the NGO, we had frugal funds. We said we needed to quickly put up stuff on national newspaper, right to the president, but I think we got illegal. Both the zonal command and the state command, with of effort any justice, wanted to ambush Rani Zone 2. And the next thing we have to do is, okay, I know what to do next. I said, let's write to the president and we'll publish it on national newspaper. But I didn't want to disclose the diplomatic route, because I cannot be throwing all my arsenals outside until I achieve that. Because if you want more, money. When we were in Zone 2, I know who the presidential aspirant that was calling that they should release the phone. Even when I got to the UK, the person kept calling and even calling the officers and threatening them, because they thought, our opinion was that phone video Adra sent the 3 seconds out of it, because Adra was already on the spot. Majority of the content must have been sent to King White to hide, because they still needed to be bargaining and be getting money. So we go protected, we come about no tower. And then how did the presidential aspirants got so interested? I look at the infantry, our investigation. It is legitimate, they can confiscate the phone. But we don't actually phone it. Or they obtain a warrant to go into the phone and bypass it. Because in the if you don't see, tell me, if you talk about bad person, we plot to come and attack us. It's domestic terrorism. We need the evidence. So, you have no funny timing. We have move. We lost some time to our debate. We lost some time to our move. We lost our team on street that be live broadcast. But she attacked one. Because they were meant to come and attack. So it was those ones I want to see how we're being probably stabbed, how they would take the mic and eat it on my head. But we're not in it until Papa is going to come. So to psychologically weaken them, I didn't put security. But no. So I decorated what they want to. So they can come and say that, oh, where did they have Fatima? And they were coming. He knew they were coming. As a Kobato, I'll bring everything for you to know that he knew that they were coming. And then saw the old stuff and said, what's all this nonsense? Wow, when they shared our value, she just silly. But why should I even, as a human rights organization, be doing justice to people that I don't know? What I see is what I guess. But because I didn't do what I need to do from beginning, I laid back because I was like, being fair, controversy, being fair drama. Justice for everybody is bigger than everybody. You should focus on. So being fair controversy, nobody interested in competition with anybody. Tí bá fi ṣan sígbà yẹn àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kó ṣáájú ìyàwó bẹ̀rẹ̀ justice for Mohbad. Kó ṣáájú Dr. Dike bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kó ṣáájú bàbá Mohbad bẹ̀rẹ̀ justice for Mohbad. So if I had taken it up the way I took it up there, I had written to the governor as early as 16th of September 2023 on Mohbad's matter. I have been putting the hashtag Justice for Mohbad as early as from the church. So let me lay back because I was on my world tour. Mo ṣe lọ Canada, mo lọ America, mo lọ UK, mo ta fíìmù káàkiri. Iṣẹ́ primary job mi nìyẹn. So they took advantage of the fact that number one, Yomi is not around. Number two, he has started well. I moved the motion for a protest first. And to make sure that the people know that we can protest. Because our way, there can never be a protest like EndSARS again. So I tested my tickets. And this is my return ticket to Nigeria. It was meant to be in November, but I will return before end of September and we will protest on the 1st of October 2023. And no celebration should come from October 1st. That everywhere, people come to motivation October 1st celebration. That Nigerians should stop the place. Go and check 2023. Majority of the governors they didn't do open door October 1st celebration. Because they already showed a big sign that we are going to protest Justice for Mohbad. I beckoned on the governor of Lagos State. I said, you should be the lead investigator in this kind of situation. Our spirit mind will be able. Ìyá wa tẹ fún yẹn, ó bá padà bá orí ọba yẹn oúnjẹ. Fún bẹ́ẹ̀ fún yẹn, ẹ̀yin bá padà gé yẹn o. Torí orí ilẹ̀ yìí ló lọ, orí ilẹ̀ yìí ló wà báyìí. Spirit bá báyìí ṣe pé ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ wá lẹ̀ fún ìyá bọ̀kọ̀. Which was out of personal. Èmi kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi ni. Wọ́n bá gbẹ́dọ̀ mi wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ṣe pé màá mi náà lè fi ilẹ̀ o. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin ẹ wà fi sí kàlẹ́ wà fi sí. And then we got to TikTok, a lot of scrutiny. What have you done before? Where were you when Justice for Mohbad? Look, I said, what? I came out and said everything in support of Baba Mohbad. That he has right to demand for DNA. I granted interview on Porsche. I went to a national TV to grant interview. Timmy, I didn't join TikTok now. I was just doing my Justice for Mohbad and I was observing, but Tim, I want no case. I'm always careful not to enter into a case because the man didn't go. It was like, yes, I'm starting. I'm not going to go back again. And if you must know today, it's because of my own personality, the way I am wired. I can sacrifice anything to pursue a legitimate cause, even if it takes me to be rolling on the floor with anybody just to achieve my results. I am so deep and dedicated because you thought it is money. I am saying it to you. But what you need to change life while we are still looking for justice. To succeed, I want to more value. Yes. And it got the results because they can now empower you. Now I can trust this kind of NGO. That is why you see that I am putting my everything. I will continue to be there. So because I am not in that area. America, Canada, France, London. For 5 months, and at least I would avoid all the insults. But I can't go and meet people when I'm fascinated when she does somebody. Oh, gee, you grow on your own here. So, I don't want to support. Succeed. Justice. Mr. Alagbaja, Batifayo, and said, I need money. They will give me money. So now actors contribution message you want. Oh, you look baby, you want that one. àwọn human rights ló ṣe kọ́ wá tẹ̀wọ́ mo pe ṣílọ́ Peters àtẹ̀wọ́ kí mo pe Monica Wizkid àtẹ̀wọ́ ó lé ọkọ̀ tó súnmọ́ náà fídíò náà tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó tó wù mí ọmọ àtẹ̀wọ́ ṣùgbọ́n they are not concerned and focused on the struggle so ó wà ní nǹkan okay if people are committed here otherwise let's do it together but after share together me tí mo wà tó bá pẹ́ àṣẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà táyọ̀ kóra wá ní ọ̀hún they know that the only way Mohbad can get justice is for united public voice so àwọn tó wà ní kí yẹn wọ́n ní the sponsor àwọn kan pé platform eléyìí o ẹ máa da gbogbo ẹ̀rọ tó bá sọ pé ẹni bí ni iṣẹ́ náà ìfẹ́ máa ṣe nìyẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ fún àwọn èyí tẹ̀ fún ọ lọ́díẹ̀sì ilẹ̀ kó bára yín ẹ̀yìn mọ̀ kọ́tọ́ pé justice if you have ignored those people block them off bákan nípa wà láwọn ọ̀hún wúra wọn but nobody could tell you guys the truth that they are only staying there for distraction ẹ wá wúro Sami Jojo yẹn again ẹ wo bó ṣe fún lórí ọ̀fẹ́ the new commissioner of police went there together. He came out, he sang my praise. You're very, I'm convinced, you know the way. If you really, you go sorry. I swear on my mother's grave, no fi sound, no fi put you, no fi put me, go come by him. I don't know. Recently. I didn't see anything. I did not see anything. The only page is not long is just for Parano. If you would hear anything, we are going to start few later. We are also got also late. If you get 2-3 weeks after the machine, to my F1, I protect my mental health more than anything because I stand on the temple of truth and justice. Any right will go cut by. By coming to stand with noble Nigerians on TikTok to seek justice. If I don't have substance, I will not write to the president and get response. I will see Owu, Debeleku, I more value. Knowledge you when Chiyo Bitomba Jebino, Lobano, Kokinisi President Madano. It's because people don't want justice. Nobody wants to care about how you get to the top. What matters most is that you are the top. To buy people who need and you're genuinely seeking justice, you have to consider honest Nigerians that have been standing on this case from the beginning. Don't know however, to do anything to Babu, I can't. Don't see a follow your friend. What we want is result, action that will propel us to results. Anybody playing presidency, can you come? The presidency had an interest in the case. Shall not be investigating. If they give order to the police, presidency law appoints the IG. If they need the police, Inspector General of Police to do something for them, naturally, it is this same Inspector General of Police always go to collect budgets. What if you run office here? So if the president is going to give directive or the presidency are going to give directive, don't expect to get more. Take money from your budget, that's fine. Do it. But we know the Nigerian factor. They will now be relying on the complainants. You want to fund the COCO. It might not be official, but if you want it to be faster, common sense means that you must volunteer. Okay, I need to want to develop here. Patrol vehicle on the radio, moto, rent moto. To buy the solid equipment, because I got moto, so I go to Office of Inspector General of Police or Lagos State Police Command, or what only law and so get vehicle that will go there. But you just here, but we need the motor here. If you are thinking because the name of the presidency is involved. Only another presidency. We are waiting for approval. We have written to the DIG to release funds for us. That's what we're waiting for. Okay. Because the complainant is just writing to us saying you didn't do anything. We are doing something, sir. We are waiting for the approval. Meanwhile, majority of all of you know that these are the possibilities and likelihood. Yes. And it don't show condemn it. If you don't have the basic knowledge of how these things work, if you know and you are still trying to twist it and penetrate into the minds of innocent people on social media that are genuinely seeking justice, you are because it's too easy. Let's even start from returning back to Nigeria, protest it's well over 15 million. Now, come out and tell me where I ask the public to donate 15 million. It's even more than 20 million. They want to donate here. They want to know information on what you are doing. And the best way is to go on the ground. As an activist, as the owner of the NGO, if you have a source, only have that t-shirt. If you have a robot, you have a push, you can still watch it. Only have a job, you raise the front. It's legal and legitimate. Only pretty consider back in my laptop. But what you marry that day, you have a pursue case. And I can sit and look at, okay, this offer 11 game. Mama support me as an actor, not because I'm doing justice. They will support me, but I can support you. It's my favorite. To raise money through that way, I resorted to that. Because you must not be looking for excuse. You must be looking for way. You are raised to always look for excuse. In as much they will be showing some of the followers that they are doing competition. No, they don't want the justice. They mean cleverly or knowingly. All of the time you're being attention. Hey, they go, they don't show up with justice. For you, touch you go and your way, bro. That way, go. Try to regulate for injustice. So if I didn't take the bold step to write petition, because at the end of the day, what's it good for? I have to take some serious step to reverse some certain things. Key justice for badly wrong. Because they're going to be taking advantage of the little friction. But so no. So my house will try and don't worry. Let's see what is going on. Because I have no problem against some of the officers in Abuja being in the very commercial, I reason along. And to my family, my colleague, I don't get up my family, getting the blood rush in Miragas. Much of disrespect. So that is just, it was something. Equally, most of what is to buy you because being good of me, very softly was shelling. This little bit was something. It's a strong update, but I cannot go into full details because if I ever did testify, you know the full meaning of what I'm saying. You know, I want to follow on the way of I mean, you're me or not, but I don't hear what you mean. So that is what we'll continue to go through. But we are very close. As soon as we don't already do this, I want to push. Majority of the push will continue to push because we are the complainants. Because without Bible saying, they love it just so. The president said, she case wa. Meanwhile, ní owó ta ni kò fún ọlọ́pàá. Àwọn tó ń investigate Abuja pé ó yẹ ẹ máa bọ̀. Ẹ wá jókòó sẹ́kù. Tó bá jókòó ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wá fún àwọn ẹ máa bọ̀. Yes, some of the people don't claim justice. Some of for that thing to happen, they have to leave Abuja. Ṣé kí èsì ọba àti táwọn àgbẹ̀ lọ nìkan ni ó wà ní dìpátímẹ́ǹtì àbáwọn tíìmù yẹn nìkan. Káwọn ṣe ní pé kó fi station wọn sílẹ̀ káwọn ní gbogbo tíìmù yẹn wá jókòó sẹ́kù. Because most of his suspects are flying around. Ìgbà tí bàbá Mohbad ṣe lọ sí Abuja ní last week, tọ́lọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kẹta tó ṣe gbọ́ ẹ̀. Ẹni pé lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn ni àdúrà ṣe deliver láti bọ́tà padà. Because they are deceiving all of you. Wọ́n ló bí ní táwọn lọ ṣe l'Abuja yẹn. Ó sì wá fẹ́ fi hàn pé ẹ̀yin ń bo ẹ̀yin àbádà lóyún. Ẹ̀kan waste tó wọ́n yìí ni. Mohbad's case is done and dusted. Justice is coming from Mohbad. All it needs is for somebody like me to stand fully tall and risk his everything to the end so that justice will be served. Let us strengthen him with Alagbo and Zone 2. In Bitoro Delivery, Tabati Muyomi, Babuya Mafiko, Komodo Wanu, Boyamagula Bereconio, or Connikin Biyako. Emmanuel Bobo Boro, this live white here, so Elo Padawo, only Kano Shida Dani. Àní kí wọ́n fún ní owó kó fi ya fíìmù àwọn tó àwọn ọ̀gá wa tó ṣe real estate torí lára àwọn ẹ̀ ló ní ṣe pẹ̀lú kéèsì yẹn. They try to contact me. Ẹni tá a sọ ní burúkú yàrá ìyàwó. Ẹni tá a sọ ẹ bá ní pẹ̀lú slave white yẹn. Actress yẹn wà ní camp wọn. Èyí ń bo ẹ̀yìn àbádà lóyún. Ẹ̀kan waste owó yìí ni. Mohbad's case is done and dusted. Justice is coming from Mohbad. All it needs is for somebody like me to stand fully tall and risk his everything to the end so that justice will be served. Let us strengthen him with Alagbo and Zone 2. In Bitoro Delivery, Tabati Muyomi, Babuya Mafiko, Komodo Wanu, Boyamagula Bereconio, or Connikin Biyako. Emmanuel Bobo Boro, this live white here, so Elo Padawo, only Kano Shida Dani. Àní kí wọ́n fún ní owó kó fi ya fíìmù àwọn tó àwọn ọ̀gá wa tó ṣe real estate torí lára àwọn ẹ̀ ló ní ṣe pẹ̀lú kéèsì yẹn. They try to contact me. Ẹni tá a sọ ní burúkú yàrá ìyàwó. Ẹni tá a sọ ẹ bá ní pẹ̀lú slave white yẹn. Actress yẹn wà ní camp wọn. Wọ́n wà ní camp onítọ̀. tell you the full security report where my phone on of what I have. Well, tí máa jẹ́ bàbá máa jẹ́ rí èyí máa kájú ọkọ̀jú àbí ṣèbí lára àwọn ẹni ṣe lọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ sọ pé kọ́ fẹ́ fún mi lówó kí wọ́n ṣe Netflix movie. I refuse to bow to such pressure. Èyí kan wá jókòó sí ẹ̀ mọ iye táwọn ẹ̀ fi style lọ mí yẹn. Pẹ̀lú wẹ̀rẹ̀ tí mo ti ṣe tí máa dúró lórí pé mo fẹ́ turn back ẹ̀ mọ iye tí máa dìbà ìjọba kó lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìrọ̀rùn. But I refuse to say no, I will never betray the public. So if I see any member of the public appreciating and supporting, you are priceless, you are an angel. And that is what we've been doing. Ekiro Yama sọ̀rọ̀, ó ní kálẹ̀mí ṣe dáadáa. Àwọn àbáwọn ọ̀gá àwọn sọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣe kíni kan. Ẹnu lọ ti fi tó ayé wọ̀ ṣe. Wọ́n náà fún ọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣọ̀pọ̀ protect bọ́ọ̀lù yẹn ni. Fúnra kò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀ kò ní lè mú ọ̀tọ́ lẹ̀. But I can tell you, Simea, when it is time, realize for yourself you are a waste product. I'm not doing anything for any other than for justice to come from the innocent boy. And one thing will come, it will come. It will come. Because he will nail it against anybody. I'm just doing my job. When you check his manager, he's free now. Kó wà lẹ́wọ̀n gbére ṣe judgement kan fi ní tó fi lo ọdún mẹ́ta yìí ṣé wọn ló yẹ ká ti ní láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kéèsì ṣé mi ni mo dájọ́ ni ṣé mi ni mo jẹ́ kó lo ẹni mo ṣe ẹjọ́ tó fi lo ọdún mẹ́ta tó lò yìí. When Lagos State government princess Iyabode thought he is going to go for life imprisonment pẹ̀tù ló bọ́ ọmọ ọdún méje sùn kò possible kí yan constable Babakisha was found guilty tó bọ́ ọmọ ọdún méje sùn when she was 7 years old kọ́ ní kó lọ lo 5 years ṣe ẹjọ́ possible ní ìjọ ìgbòho fẹ́ dájọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹjọ́ yẹn. But because they don't want the truth to be established, they don't want people to know that you break the Silence Foundation so the lacuna that Fatima Yoba ability right Yoba were enforced. There will be unfair judgment and there will be misplaced judgment. And they will sentence him to life imprisonment for a crime he never committed. I am telling you on my honor again, nowhere Babakisha has been found guilty of having sex with any child or minor. No judgment exists as we speak. And quote the Bible. So the only reason to feel which is a sexual assault, is still based on the princess to organize and show me in the constitution if it told you what terrible way a citizen can package and organize a crime. Go out to your home or go out below food about there. This is a natural crime. Also, we come back with shots. Like me. All of us, you make it me. Oh, I'm talking open one yard. I don't want to yard. One kiss a vision boy. Oh, one video me. The camera said, should I go kiss about 14? Okay. Oh, I need to go to Basuri. Money, Basuri, Babu. You know, the boy, you know, if I buy me, you want to pay to defend me.